जानना चाहेंगे इस इवेंट के बारे में, कैसा लगा आपको एग्जीबिशन, इसके बारे में?
एग्जीबिशन बहुत ही खूबसूरत है। बहुत सारी ज्वेलर्स ने टाइम्स ग्लैमर फाइन ज्वेलरी एक्सपो में अपनी कलाकृतियाँ पेश की है। बहुत ही एक्सक्लूसिव ज्वेलरी है और लेडीज़ को बहुत ही पसंद आएगा, इसको पूरा विश्वास है।
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है और मैं अमृता जी के लिए बहुत थैंक यू हूँ कि वो शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि वो हमारे शो की इनॉग्रेशन कर रहे हैं, स्टाइल वॉक द ब्राइडल अफेयर।
पार्डन?
फैशन की डेफिनेशन आपके लिए क्या, आपको मतलब क्या चीज़ ज़्यादा पसंद है, ज्वेलरी की बात करिए या फैशन?
फैशन ये आपका अंदरूनी एक स्पिरिट होता है, तो आप जैसे अंदर से है उसको और निखारने के लिए आपको जो एक्सेसरीज लगती है, मेरे हिसाब से वो फैशन है। ज्वेलरी तो आपकी यादों से भी आपको कनेक्ट करती है, तो ज्वेलरी आपका अंदर का स्पिरिट अगर निखार दे तो वो आपके लिए सबसे सूटेबल ज्वेलरी है।
She is recognized for her role in shaping the lifestyle division of ABEC Exhibitions and Conference Private Limited. She has built three of the most notable exhibition brands for the division: Glamour, Glitter and Shagun. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the woman behind today's show, the one and only Balbir Gandhi. Very, very warm welcome.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for making it to the Style Walk at Glamour 2016. I would like to thank Amruta Fadnavis for being kind and gracing the occasion. She will be inaugurating the Style Walk. Thank you, Amruta ji. Really pleased to have you here. Before I start, I would like to thank my father-in-law, late Mr. S.M. Singh Gandhi, without whose guidance and now blessings, I would not have been able to made it so far. And also thank my team, my family and friends for their unconditional support. I'm sure you're going to enjoy today's show, and the evening is really dazzling and glamorous thanks to you and all the participants at the Style Walk Bridal Affair. I thank you once again, and I guess the show is to begin now. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your kind words. Walk tall and put your best foot forward in a beautiful pair from Lord Shoes. Presenting Sophia Premji, MD of Lord Shoes. Actively involved in community development activities, Sophia has run the Mumbai Marathon multiple times to support charitable causes ranging from rural development to aid for children suffering from cancer. Ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for Sophia Premji. Warm welcome to you, Sophia.
Thank you. At the outset, I'd just like to say a very, very big thank you to each and every one of you for being here this evening. It's a pleasure to partner with Balbir in hosting this evening for you all. I think it goes without saying that without the encouragement and support of family and the love of friends, nothing is possible. So with deepest appreciation, I welcome you all and wish you a great evening ahead. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You look very pretty, ma'am. I would now like to introduce our Honorable Chief Guest. Married to the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Devendra Fadnavis, Amrita is the First Lady of Maharashtra. Amrita Fadnavis is MBA in Finance and Taxation Laws from Symbiosis Pune, qualified CIEL Wealth Management Examination, NCFM, AMFI. She has been working with Axis Bank since last 13 years, currently at the position of Deputy Vice President, Corporate Head, West India for transaction banking business. She has also been state level tennis player, under 16, trained classical singer. She is also known to have a good voice and has sung an emotionally appealing song for saving the girl child that was released on YouTube. She recently debuted as playback singer in latest Hindi movie Jai Ganga Jal, directed and produced by Prakash Jha. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming Amrita Fadnavis with a huge round of applause. Very warm welcome, ma'am.
Respected dignitaries on and off the dais, a very good evening, a very glittering good evening to all of you. I am very excited to be a part of India's most celebrated Glamour Fine Jewelry Expo and be a part of Style Walk 2016, showcasing spectacular collection of bridal jewelry. Jewelry has always defined Indian tradition and the rich Indian heritage. Indian jewelry is all about opulence, and people here adore rich and intricate jewelry. It is characterized by different kind of shapes, sizes, cuts, colors, forms. And this fascination of jewelry has given recognition to India as the largest gems and jewelry market in the world. Additionally, with low costs and overheads and availability of highly skilled labor, India has become the world's largest cutting and polishing center for diamonds, with cutting and polishing policies well supported by the government. Jewelry has indeed been the fascination of every Indian woman. You might have not have heard any woman saying this, that I have enough jewelry. And here I would like to caution you all guys present here, that if your woman says that I do not want a present on my birthday, be rest assured that she means to say, I want a present and it has to be jewelry. So guys, please go out and buy these threads of jewelry and pearls for your love so that they stay with you always. The magic of jewelry is not restricted to mere looking pretty or an investment, but it adds a persona to your overall personality. And so they say, give a girl the right jewelry and she will conquer the world. For me, jewelry is a way of keeping my memories alive and letting out my inner self, letting out my inner sparkle without even saying a word. Today, when I browsed through the expo, I really could see a rare combination of purity, craftsmanship, and creativity along with beauty in the designs of various jewelers like Bardichan Ghanshyam Das, Cappuccino Jewelers, TPZ, Jeweler Ravi, Shobha Shringar, Valchand, Rare Heritage, just to name a few. I must say here that we all tell stories with words, but these jewelers are telling beautiful stories with the exquisite collection of jewelry which they are showcasing. I'm sure women would love to adorn this jewelry and would feel the love and passion. And this itself is the rare quality which brings you to great harmony. Before I wrap up, I thank organizers, especially Balbir Gandhi, for inviting me for the expo, and Bardichan Ghanshyam Das Jewelers for sponsoring my Bejeweled Look, And I would just say go out and buy the best piece which you feel like and experience ecstasy. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am. I'd like to request you to be on stage. I would now like to request our chief guest, Amrita Fadnavis, to hand over the check to Smile Foundation and to do the honors. I'd also like to request Balbir ma'am and Sophia ma'am to please come on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to request Ms. Anuradha Gupta from Smile Foundation to kindly come to the dais to receive the check from our honorable chief guest. A step forward, please.
हीरो हीरालाल
Thank you, Anuradha ma'am. Requesting you to remain on stage for lighting of lamp. And to join us on stage, may I please invite Sumit Gandhi, CMD, ABEC Exhibitions and Conferences Private Limited, with Mr. Manish Gandhi, COO and Executive Director, ABEC Exhibitions and Conferences Private Limited. I'd also like to invite Shaina NC and Kareem Premji on stage. Very warm welcome. Let's have a huge round of applause. Thank you very much. Thank you for doing the honors. With that, ladies and gentlemen, is the start of our show tonight. And now it is time for Walk of Fame, ladies and gentlemen. We will now begin the event with a prestigious honor towards the leading and inspiring women from Anushka Ranjan has modeled and walked the ramp for various designers and has also made her Bollywood debut with the movie Wedding Palav. She is the brand ambassador for the NGO Beti. Mamta Raja has modeled and walked the ramp for various designers and is the owner of the brand Shasha, that makes the most exquisite clutches. Meena Rohira, ladies and gentlemen, a multifaceted, successful, enterprising lady, has made a foray into real estate. Amy Billy Moria, House of Design, bridal expert, couturer and bespoke designer, completing 25 successful years in the fashion industry and proprietor of the luxury store. Simi Chandok, she is the page 3 pioneer when it comes to Bollywood, fashion and high society. She is the expert, Zoom TV's Life in Society, Editor-in-Chief, Simi Chandok, ladies and gentlemen. Anu Ranjan, President of the Indian Television Academy and founder of Beti Association, a charity for women. Anu Ranjan. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Sophia Premji. Kiran Baba is the dynamic MD of IOSIS Wellness. That is a one-stop shop for all beauty and relaxing services with branches pan-India. Kiran Baba. Juhi and fashion were meant to go hand in hand. Fashion not only makes Juhi happy, but it makes her very, very happy and brings a smile to her face every time. Juhi, ladies and gentlemen. Neha Premji, an honorary graduate from the University of Chicago. She has spoken at the United Nations and worked as an international journalist. She has written a book, College, which has been endorsed by none other than Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Neha Premji.
te sabe também.
Raj Lakshmi, ladies and gentlemen, judge in Consumer Court for 18 years and has written a book, Raj Lakshmi. Samina Khan, a princess for a cause. A Begum hails from the erstwhile royal family of Mangrol, Gujarat and is walking the rank for a noble cause. Princess Samina Khan has passion for charitable causes and runs an outdoor advertising agency in Mumbai. Ayushi Bangu, a personal style and fashion blogger who started her blog Style Tribe while finishing her degree in economics. Please put your hands together for Ayushi. Swati Sharma blogs about fashion, lifestyle and architecture. She believes architecture and fashion are two basic attires needed for human survival. Through Archetype, she has pledged to serve both. Swati Sharma. Madhura Gokhale followed her instincts and pursued jewelry designing as her career. Today, she's a jewelry designer by choice and a fashion addict by compulsion. Madhura Gokhale. Please welcome Yash Agarwal from Birdi Chand. Let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Fall apart, but I want it now.
Just wanna spend my life with you.
Time will show me how. Suddenly everything has turned me inside out. Suddenly love's a thing that I can't live without. You're my dream, my love, my life. I just wanna spend my life with you. You're the one.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got you.
dancers of this sequence, Manish and Jyoti Shah.
शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई 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 शहनाई
रास रचिन्यो साज सजिन्यो शुभ घडीचे आवी आजा आजा टमटमाता श्रवणाओ जे लावी ओ लावी
सजा के रखना, मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, लेने तुझे थोड़ी आएंगे तेरे सजना।
दुनिया सजा के रखना, दुनिया छुपा के रखना, दुनिया सजा के रखना, दुनिया छुपा के रखना, ये दिल की बात अपनी दिल में छुपा के रखना,
मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना। शाबाश 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 शाबाश। उड़ के तेरी जुल्फें करती है क्या इशारे, दिल थाम के खड़े हैं आशिक सभी गवारे।
छुप जाए सारी दुनिया मन में शरण दिखारे, बाबू में आ गए हैं बाबू शहर के सारे।
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the designers from Jewel Ravi, Sneha and Ravi Hinduja.
सड़कों पे चले जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे baby fire, नकली से न करे तो करे जब देखे हमें झूठी lie। काला चश्मा चचका तेरे मुखड़े पे जैसे काला दिल चिचता है तेरे चेहरे पे, अपनी अदाओं से ज्यादा नहीं तो 10-12 लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में।
जैसे छत पे फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होनी वे, वर्गी और न होनी मेरी वर्गी और न होनी। तू मुंडा बिल्कुल देसी है, मैं कितनी ना तो सोनी वे। हाँ, मैं फ्लैट अप हो गई
by Sri Bhuvan Das Bhimji Saveri, the original. Was by Sri Bhuvan Das Bhimji Saveri, the original. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the showstopper of the sequence, Patralekha.
दिन शगना का चढ़िया आओ सखियों ने मेरा सजरा नी मेरा सजरा मिलड़ बधाया नी सजनों सजनों दी बैके ओना नी मेरा सजरा
Please put your hands together for the designer of Shobha Shringar Jewelers, Mr. Snehal Chomsi.
शगना चढ़िया आओ सखियों ने मेरा सजरा
The collection.
मदानिया मदानिया हाय मेरे डाटे रबा कि ना जम्मिया कि ना रह जानिया हाय मेरे डाटे रबा कि ना जम्मिया कि ना रह जानिया मदानिया चले ससुराल नी तू दिल नू संभाल हुण की सोचे हो गई पराई नी तू रब ने बनाई रीत की सोचे ओ चली ससुराल नी तू दिल नू संभाल हुण की सोचे हो गई पराई नी तू रब ने बनाई रीत की सोचे जाना तू जाना एक दिन दूर परदेस सी अखियां चो हंजू
for Ajay and Akshay from Xavier by Walchansan Jewelers. this breathtaking collection.
ज्वेलरी का मॉम ने दिया था. I think about 2 years back she gave me this beautiful diamond ring.
ओके रोल ओके पत्रिका सबसे पहले जानना चाहेंगे कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था वॉक के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए.
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था बिकॉज लहंगा इतना भारी था. there's so much jewelry which is so heavy and I think हर लड़की का मतलब जब बचपन में हम होते हैं हमें ब्राइड सजना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो आई थिंक मैंने वो ख्वाहिश पूरी कर ली. अब मुझे शादी करने की ज़रूरत तो नहीं है.
और कितनी मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ा वॉक के लिए, कितना रेडी करना पड़ा खुद को?
नहीं रेडी तो नहीं करना पड़ा. इट्स जस्ट दैट द लहंगा इज सो हैवी एंड एक्सेसरीज आर लाइक सो हैवी. अदरवाइज इट्स गुड.
ओके थैंक यू.
या Hi guys, this is Patralekha. Please subscribe to Full 2 Movie.
थैंक यू.
Okay, Rajkumar, आपके personal statement क्या है?
Whatever I feel like wearing that day, and I should, as per the occasion, as per the event, but most importantly, I should definitely feel comfortable in whatever I'm wearing.
And what does fashion means to you?
Exactly what it means to you, to feel comfortable, to wear what I want to wear, and not to just to impress others.
And what projects are doing currently?
I've finished a film with Vikramaditya Motwani sir, and there's a film called Newton, black comedy, and there's an American film called Love Sonia.
Okay, what do you have to say to Sakshi Malik and P. Sandhu?
I'm so proud of them. I saw the match last night, and it was so amazing just watching her playing with that passion and with that grit. Just all my good wishes and love to them.
message to the youths, sports person especially?
Yeah, my message would be just to follow your heart, follow your dreams, and work hard. And when these girls can do it, and you all can do it too.
Rajkumar, actually we have heard that Indian sports budget is very less as compared to foreign countries. So what do you have to say on that?
I think we should definitely support our sports persons even more. I request our officials to give them what they want exactly, because I myself have been a sports person. I was into martial arts, and I know it's a little tough. Sometimes you don't get what exactly you want, but I just hope and pray for everything to be changed for better.
Okay, Rajkumar, if you don't mind, can I ask your hobbies?
My hobbies?
So, yeah.
Am I feeling a slam book here?
No, I'm generally asking.
My hobbies is nothing. I just love acting. I'm an actor. I love traveling. I love reading. That's it.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, thank you. Pleasure. Wait, okay. We have to rush because he's already taking around.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.